senior manager for 49ers EDU and work on all of the 49ers educational initiatives. We partnered with the College Football Foundation and our good friends at Landed to do great things in the community. I will let my friend Kelly from Landed explain.
How much money do you think you need to buy a house here? And today we're super excited because we're going to help one of your teachers buy a house in the Bay Area. So without further ado, I would like to ask one of your really special teachers to come on up to the stage, Miss Jenna Bryon. This is so special because we've been working with Miss Bryon for like years, 2 years now, to help her find a house. And we are so excited today to give her a check for $25,000.
Well, this is an exciting surprise! Woo! Well, I guess we're staying here in the area a little bit longer. Landed is an incredible company that has helped a lot of teachers. In fact, it has helped 2 teachers here at Discovery also buy houses. I am super excited. I can't wait to tell my husband, and my little growing boy in here is probably hearing all this excitement too. Thank you so much.
This is a $25,000 grant that was provided from through our partners at 49ers Foundation and Extra Yard for Teachers. This is a grant. This is not a loan. This is her money to do with as she pleases towards her down payment. And you're also welcome to use the Landed down payment support as well. So congratulations.
I guess it's time to start looking again.
Woo! All right, thank you so much, Landed and the 49ers Foundation, for making dreams come true.